We have the eccentric skull crusher. With this position of our arms, we will emphasize targeting of the largest head of the triceps, the long head and often neglected head in the most triceps routines. To begin, lie down on either a bench or the floor with both dumbbells gripped in a neutral position, palm facing together. Begin by hanging at your elbow and bring the dumbbells down for 2 to 3 seconds on the negative while lowering the weight. And tap the top of your shoulders with the dumbbells. This increased time under tension allows us to simulate a significantly greater amount of micro muscle tears that your body will repair and grow bigger, resulting in larger triceps. Pushing to failure will result in explosive triceps growth. For maximal results, place the eccentric skull crusher at the beginning of your triceps routine and perform 4 sets of 10 repetitions.